Governor Palin, what do you think of Obama's suggestions that he would be willing to talk with heads of Iran and other countries that we have considered to be axis of evil countries?
Hey, could you repeat the question, please?
What do you
There's
think?
so many names.
Yeah, I know.
Iran, axis of evil. Ooh, that's scary.
What do you think of Obama's willingness, without precondition, to meet, for example, with the head of Iran?
I will say that I learned one thing in college, and that's willingness never landed any girl I knew in any good situation. Okay? So whether they be heads of countries or heads of your, calculus class you're trying to get a better grade in, willingness is not the key. You know what is the key? Track record. Okay? That's what I'm going to tell you about. I'm going to tell you about my track record and McCain's track record, and sometimes they do involve willingness, okay? But not always. It's not the key.
Could you talk a little bit about your track record that you just mentioned?
Yeah, I did a couple years JV, junior varsity, and then I did varsity track. I ran the 200 and the 400 relay, and we always watched the Joe six-packs, working on their six-packs. Those are my fondest memories. But hey, that's where I started thinking it's all about networking, whether it's with the athletes or with head of Iran. So it's really just all one big high school game.
Thank you.